what's going on? Your boy Nacho Every Child back with another video. And today, you feel me, we're gonna be checking out this Cars and Coffee. It's been a little minute since I went, so we're gonna see what's popping. Now it's nice out, it's decently sunny day, not too cold. You're gonna see what DetailGarage got, you know, popping. Here go my baby, you know, not the cleanest, but it'll do. Start it more up for you. So we're going to pit, see what's good. No, it's been a little minute, I've been slacking on the videos, but you know, I've just been busy working, trying to make money for these mods. But with the price of everything else going up, you know, kind of tough. So you know, gotta grind and maybe cut back on some other things. But you know, there's a will, there's a way. So definitely stay tuned. Ordered few things for the fins, slight things, but you know. Alright guys, as you can see, we're pulling up. Nice little show out today.
Yes, sir. So if you're not about that,
popping down the street, you know. But yeah, guys, I ain't gonna lie, it was cool for a nice little turnout. No like supercars or nothing, just normal, you know, normal cars that, you know, people can grab and stuff. Usually they do have, you know, like McLarens or Lambos out there. They just had a lot of lowered cars and, you know, custom cars. I liked it. You know, I respected everybody's build. It was cool. And a little bit of everything. Sheesh. I hear that popping. Oh, I just wish I could get a tune, but hey, these little pops be cool for us. Some of them be real loud and explosive. Alright, enough of that, guys. But you know, till next time. Go.